your girlfriend, Bandile.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure everyone wants to see the girlfriend. Let's see the girlfriend.
Nah, bro, two hyenas.
What hyenas, bro?
Definitely not two hyenas.
Bandile, can you see the baby, dog?
Nah, babe, they tripping, man. Like, they might just know that you and I have tattoos, yeah. So you telling me you didn't see this tattoo, dog? You don't get the message, ne? There's the message, guys. Like, babe, me seen ya.
What?
The tattoo for the last time. I'm sure your arm is tired, yo. I'm sure it's tired. Things get worse before they get better. It's a real message, guys. This forever yen.
Forever yenery.
For real. Lincoln, you must up your game here.
Yin and yang.
And this one's real, guys. This is even peeling here. You can grab my tea. But yeah, hey, let me get back to work, guys. Hey, it's the Chenarara wait. So Lincoln Komapi wait. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys get the message. But yeah, as we out. Me, I'm out. Hope you guys get the message. I hope you guys get the message. Hope you guys get the message. Because life actually does get better, you know.
Better get way.
Better first. Better rara. Better rara. Let's bet. It's the little weight. It's the little weight. DOD. Bandile. Yeah, but some on it. Yo, must be kicked. Nah. Okay, let me add ish. DOD, this thing of you coming and going. Aye, man.
Fans,
DOD.
please show me the tattoo again.
Huh?
Please show me the tattoo again.
Dog. Hey, man, guys, why people make. Oh, why is this such a. Okay, shut. Yeah.
Not yours. We don't care about your tattoo.
Hey, man. What? I'm so afraid.
Bandile. Bandile.
I'm for your arm, man. Sure. Yeah.
Bandile.
Yeah. Dog. What, dog? Forever I am.
Bandile.
That's what I yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, it's goals. Bandile.
Yeah, bro, you must up your socks. Yes, dog. How I can hear you.
Bandile.
Nah. Are you tripping, dog? What, is my network slow or what? Dog, is my network slow or what? This guy's really calling my name, bro.
It's gag. I sent. Okay, table.
Bro, what? You tripping?
I'm not gonna lie, somehow early party.
Nah, bro. What? What? Bro. Yeah. Dog, you tripping. Hey. Boy. You been drinking water. Hey.
Bandile.
What?
Bandile. Please
Yeah.
show the tattoo one more time.
Nah, bro, you see down there. Nah, bro, relax. Wait, what? Make me understand. Why?
It's dope.
Okay, shut up, babe. Put your ice trapeze in. Yeah. Eh. Guys, her arm is even tired. Nah, dude, this is abuse. Yes, things get. What is it? Is it the what? Is it the message that shocks you, or like, you see, life.
Nah, it's the
Boy,
matching vibes with that. It's
thing
like
is, the tea has like a young peony, boy. Ish, I'm sorry, it's healing though, yeah, boy. Ish. But yeah, the message is life. Boy. But yeah, dog,
guys,
me,
me
boy,
can
me, I'm leaving you. Me, I wanna get back to my work. Hey.
wait, guys, can I say something real quick? Me when I grow up, ne? Me when I grow up, I wanna me when I grow up, let me leave it at that. But when I grow up, I
You tripping, bro?
Bandile!
Nah,
Bandile!
nah, he's tripping, bro. Dog, Max is even dying there, dog. Like
Ha,
you
ha,
trip,
ha, 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 ha,
trending.
ha. Lincoln, what are you saying?
Ah,
Boy,
boy,
Salava
say,
right away,
this
boy.
Bruce too much, boy. In here we promote the majority, boy.
Boy,
Hey, Chief, you see South Africa, man? You see South Africa? I'm never leaving my country.
Here's the
boy,
majority, boy.
nah, boy. You know what the flop is, now, boy. You've never really been alive, boy.
Like live.
Ne?
Yeah, boy,
Yo,
boy,
yo. Eh,
Yeah,
ah,
boy.
bro,
Just follow, boy.
boy.
yes,
Anyways,
yes, nice.
boy, yeah. Nice,
Bandile.
boy. You know, real life is nice, boy. Guys, guilty, You already know, guys. No, aunt. Hey, so yeah, me, I'm out, guys. Hey, cause you guys add maps. Maps. Wait, is maps even here, guys? Ish.
It's there.
We're working, guys. We're at the work harara. No, it's not yet. We're at the work harara, guys. Hey, me, I'm out. We continue with my work. Yeah, shut up, guys.